Here's how to disengage your Guardian 928 jack shaft opener so that you can run your garage door manually. If you'll notice, right now it's engaged, so the door's not going to go up. But to disengage, we're going to come over here. You're going to find your red pull cord. You're going to pull on that once and it's going to click. Now it's disengaged. You're also going to want to push this red lock back as well if you want to open the door all the way. Otherwise, it's going to hit on that lock. You can see now I can move this door by hand all the way up. So this is something that you'd want to do in the event of a power outage or if you just want to run your door manually. Now to re-engage, you're going to pull it again. It's going to click. And now we're going to push our wall button. And now the door is re-engaged to the open. A little side note is that sometimes when the door is all the way down or up, it might be kind of hard to pull on this cord and it might not release. So to overcome that, what you'd want to do is just run your door up just a little bit and then try and pull the release. If you have any problems with your garage door or garage door opener, please give us a call today.